handle it. Oh my! Woo! It's in the chat. I think one of my favorite songs, one of my new favorite like singers, Ava Max. Ha 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 ha. Who's laughing now? Gaza in the chat is laughing now. Yeah. Keep the faith, King, on it. Stop. Faith works. Ladies and gentlemen, you got a chance. Mesa Monopoly, dearest, little, tiniest Mesa Monopoly will step on the stage and let us know that's gonna be a cash prize multiplier. What? Oh, yes.
It's a multiplier.
Woohoo! 8x. Wait a minute. Oh, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Multiplier on anything gonna be amazing, on something gonna be legend. Wait for it. I will not look at the wheel because I need my heart and I want to stay sane and I cannot handle it. Oh my! Woohoo! For all! Yes! 8x for all!
Fantastic! A 4-roll bonus. Now this should be exciting.
Crazy! Yes! Good luck!
Welcome to the board. Let's do some building. Aren't we on a multiplier? It's time to roll. Big number. Great. Doubles. It's time to roll. Go. It's time to roll. Big number. Great. Doubles. It's time to roll. Great. It's time to roll. Follow me. Great. It's time to roll. Follow me. Let's do that again
Video
soon.
finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.